welcome back. I'm Rajeshri. Today we are here at Godrej Vanantara, located off Bannerghatta Road in South Bangalore. This project is spread across 36 acres with 14 high-rise towers. Now let's go explore a 2 BHK model flat of Godrej Vanantara. As soon as you enter, this is our foyer area. It's quite spacious and it gives a quite warm and premium feel. Now let's go see the living room. This is the living room. You can place your sofa unit right there, your TV unit right there, and it also comes with attached balcony where the light and ventilation coming through the balcony makes the whole place look brighter. And this way is your dining area. You can easily accommodate 4 people right here. Right next to our dining area will be our kitchen right here. It's elegantly designed with ample amount of storage and it also comes with utility area. On our way to the first bedroom will be your common washroom right here, and this is your first bedroom in this room, and it has enough space to store your bed, your wardrobe. It's perfect and versatile. You can make it your guest bedroom or your personal workspace. Now this is your master bedroom. It comes with spacious attached washroom. It has enough amount of space even after keeping your bed, wardrobe, and also the huge windows makes the whole room look brighter and fresh. If you are interested in this project, contact Homz N Space, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this video, and also make sure you follow us on Instagram.